Show me your hands. Hands.
It only takes 40 seconds for a routine night to turn into a nightmare. This is a look at a split-second decision made at over 120 miles per hour on a quiet Maryland road. Deputy Hessler was watching traffic when a black Infiniti flew past his car. The driver was going so fast that the vehicle looked like a blur on the dashboard camera.
Three 193 10. Three 190.
1050. Star me nearest star me units.
And you all were?
26, right in front of the bridge. 26 Fallon.
You involved? The housing?
Negative. We got 2 units involved. No departmental.
Okay.
Show me your hands. Hands.
The sirens make it hard to hear, but official reports say the driver claimed he did not know why he ran. No one hits 100 miles per hour for no reason. This is a classic move to play dumb and avoid taking immediate responsibility for his actions.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Is there any weapons in the car?
Nope.
All right. All right, where are you hurt, man? Yeah, all right, 193 Carroll. I got one occupant in the vehicle that was fleeing. He's conscious, seems to be stable, but we got some blood. I don't know from where.
Okay. You can switch. 63 7 64.
All right, hey man, where are you hurt?
Good.
I told him to.
Still in town?
Did you hit your head? Let me see your face, dude. Let me try to get you out of
Main
here.
Street right now. I'm not gonna run after him. You just stop them and hold him for a second. Are they heading south or north?
All right.
First south. One's got a white jacket. One's got a black.
Are you
jacket.
trapped in there, man, or can you
Can't see the
move?
other two right now. Everybody beat you.
Don't.
Like,
All right, your leg looks pretty jacked up. Just don't move for me, okay? Just stay tight for me and just talk to me, all right?
142, King.
I don't want you nodding off or anything, all right? Just talk to me. All right, how's your head feeling? Let me see your eyes, brother. Can you look at me real quick? I just want to make sure your pupils aren't, exploded out. Here, I'm gonna go get my med kit, okay? So I can at least get some of this blood off you and wait and figure out what we got going on. Just sit tight for me, okay? There's no weapons in the car, correct? All right, just sit tight.
There's a huge debris field.
All right, let me get
Can you start the state units as well?
I'm getting my med kit right now.
Okay. You might need the medics. They just been alerted.
All right, 193 Carroll. He's the driver's trapped right now. He's not trapped, but he's not moving. His left leg's pretty messed up. But like I said, he's stable and conscious.
Can you open me a card for AOA? It seems like there was a hard shift.
Yeah.
Another 12 miles an hour.
There's a girl trapped if he has any money to spare. She's was the driver and she's trapped in her car.
Okay. All
And the
right.
car's starting to smoke.
Okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
Bryce,
Hadn't had time to breathe or get you too, so.
is there any one of us up there?
No, sir, not yet. The lady in the house is a nurse, so she's helping. We got the passenger out on the side, but the other girl's unresponsive and trapped.
147.
When I don't know if anyone relayed. Second vehicle involved has one lady trapped, and we got the passenger out.
I was going with 911, but the call got disconnected.
1-1, still on the diesel call.
Yeah.
6-4-2-7 can on the file, please.
Said she doesn't have a pulse. Alright.
193.
So you gotta cut out
Good.
the Do you have like a knife or anything?
Yeah. Here's shears.
Can you switch back over sheriff for me so I can talk to you? Third.
Oh.
Where you go?
I don't think I can get this door open.
Redirect to 122 just called out. Start the area of Liberty and Fallon for a vehicle collision. Yeah, so what's that doing?
Yeah, I got it. We got it. Here, hold on. Can we get the back? It might be easier to extract her.
Everything's gonna be. Yeah, I was gonna say it's gonna be jammed. Let's back away. Let's back away.
Hey.
181, you want to see there?
Back road.
Straight.
194. Are you down with the suspect vehicle? 194. Keep eyes on the suspect vehicle. Keep talking to him. Make sure he stays alert. And we have one who's trapped in the second vehicle. I think she's no pulse.
There's a cool off right here. Turn there.
And 101, are you en route?
Yeah.
181, 3 He's requesting. Okay.
We got medics coming right now that will be able to cut the door.
In there. I can't get that door open.
They'll be able to cut that door.
We're not going to be easily able to pull her out that way.
You guys have a blanket or a...
194, I'm through myself. Pull me out of the bridge.
Was one of the police? Is there a second car?
Yeah, there's yes.
Is there anybody in the other vehicle?
Correct, but he's okay.
He is.
710 Carroll.
John is in bed. I'm like,
all the way
Do you have a med kit bag?
down there. Yeah.
I'm gonna go to this
That's
guy
where I
real quick.
Looking at the legal results of this crash shows us how the justice system handles these tragedies. Jamal Steele was not just driving fast. Investigators found that his vehicle was reported stolen months earlier, and he had other stolen license plates hidden inside. He also told police he had been drinking tequila and beer before driving. When you mix alcohol with a stolen car and a speed of 128 miles per hour, it is no longer just a traffic stop. It is a fatal disaster. People often ask why the officer was cleared of any charges. It comes down to a legal rule called criminal negligence. To charge an officer, prosecutors must prove he acted so recklessly that no other trained deputy would have made the same choice in that situation. Because Deputy Hessler turned off his lights and sirens after only 40 seconds when he saw the risk was too high, the state determined he followed his training perfectly. He chose to protect the public instead of chasing a criminal at any cost. It is a hard truth that the man who caused this survived while 22-year-old Kayla Rodriguez Garcia lost her life. She was just going home when she was hit by someone who cared more about running away than human life. What do you think about the rules for police chases? Does stopping the chase help save lives? Or does it give criminals an excuse to drive faster? Tell us what you think in the comments. If you want more deep dives into the legal truth behind these body cam stories, subscribe to Blue Line Raw and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.